want to build it up like this because you're going to add your paint on top of what you tone. Strands, you're going to notice that there are very, very slight shadows. I'm just going to begin with the toning and trying to match. I'm only using that same one tone color to sort of bring the and as you can see, I'm shaking the airbrush so I can sort of get, you know, very irregular, very, when we do a close-up you'll be able to see it. So what we're going to do is, you can see there's bright spots in the photo and white sort of texture from her skin. You want to build that in. The lips, the nose, and the eyes. So this is why you want to put the indication of where your white is, so that when it does die down, you know where to put it back and you've already figured out the locations. Darkness here. Now this is not pure black, it's like a very deep brown. Highlight that, and then we're almost just about done.